Hi, my name is Michelle, and I have my doctorate in physical therapy. I'm a personal trainer, a health coach, and a yoga teacher. So today we're going to be doing a postnatal yoga for nursing moms, and we're just going to be doing gentle stretches, especially if you're breastfeeding or even if you are bottle feeding your baby, you're still in that same position. So these stretches will be great for you. So this is a great first workout to do after your baby because it's just really gentle. We're not going to be doing any strengthening here. It's more going to be stretching and taking deep breaths to release any tension or stress that we're having. So I have 4 kids. They are currently 4, 9, 11, and 15. And I did nurse all them for different amounts of time. My first one, I nursed for 4 months, and my last one I did for 2 years. So I know that breastfeeding can be really challenging. So I just encourage you that if you're struggling to just reach out for some help and just giving you a little encouragement along the way. So we're going to be starting in a seated position. So I have this pillow here. So if this feels tight to sit like this, you can just sit on a pillow and it just lifts those hips up a little bit and gives you a little bit more cushion. So go ahead and come into the seated position with me. And just take a nice deep breath. Inhale and exhale. We're going to start with some seated cat and cows. So go ahead and put your hands at the front of your legs and take an inhale as you stick your chest up and look up. Exhale, tuck your chin around your spine, blow out all that air. Good. Inhale, look up, open that chest. Exhale, tuck your chin around that spine. We'll do one more. Inhale. And exhale, cat. Good. And come back to a neutral spine and just take a moment to really work on sitting up tall, bringing that chest up. And go ahead, inhale your arms up and center. And exhale, stretch to one side, look down at the floor. Good. Walk your hands through the middle all the way to the other side. And take a nice deep exhale. Inhale through the center. And exhale, side stretch. Good. Inhale through the center. And exhale, side stretch. Inhale through the center. Last one on each side. Good. And go to the other side. Good. Come through the center and go ahead and walk those hands up. Good. We're going to do just a neck stretch because it's really easy to hold tension in our shoulders and shrug them up. So go ahead and release your shoulders down if they're shrugged up. Put your fingertips out to the side and go ahead and bring one ear towards your shoulders. Good. And you can stay right there if you feel the stretch. Or on that other side, you can sort of bring that hand behind your back a little bit. And just take a nice deep breath. Good. And this is one of my favorite ways to not have more tension in that neck. So you're going to push your neck up with your hands so you don't have to use those muscles and retighten it up. Good. Release those hands, fingertips out to the side, and go ahead and bend your neck the other way. And just take a nice deep breath here. Just releasing any tension in the neck that you're feeling. Good. An option to sort of walk that hand behind your back a little bit. Good. One more full breath. Good. And go ahead, use that hand to push the head back up. Good job. So we're going to come into tabletop position. So we're going to be in hands and knees. Good. So we want to make sure that our wrists are right under our shoulders. Some people have a tendency to put them a little bit in front. So we're going to start with some cat and cows here in tabletop. So this is a great way to sort of open up that spine a little bit. So drop your belly as you look up for cow. Take an inhale. Exhale, cat. Tuck your chin, round your spine, blow out all that air. And just follow this with your own breath. Inhaling for the cow, stretching out that belly and chest. Exhaling, cat, rounding our spine. And go ahead and do a couple more. Good. Last one. Cat, round that spine. Good. And come back to that neutral position. We're going to do puppy pose. And I love this one for opening up my chest and shoulders. So go ahead and walk your hands out forward towards the top of your mat, keeping your hips up. And you can bring your forehead down to the mat. You could also use a pillow or block on your forehead. And just really sink into those shoulders. Taking a nice deep inhale and a slow exhale. Really notice your belly expand on your inhale and sink in on your exhale. So we want these deep breaths to come from our abdominals and not our chest expanding and falling. So when we take those deeper belly breaths, it really helps to calm our nervous system. And I know if you are a new mom, you definitely probably need some calming. It can be really hard being a new mom and taking care of a little one. Good, and go ahead and walk your hands back up to tabletop. Good, and then we're going to come onto our belly for cobra. So go ahead and just lower down to your mat. Good, we're going to have our arms right by our side and just untuck those toes. We're going to push with our hands as we lift up our head and maybe our chest. Good, so we're strengthening that back. And go ahead, release. You can bring your forehead to a mat. You can also have a pillow or block here. And take a nice deep inhale. And exhale, rise up. Good, inhale, come down. Exhale, rise up. Good, inhale down. Exhale, rise up. Good, and lower it towards the mat. And come back up to that tabletop position. So hands and knees. And we're going to do a little bit of a shoulder stretch here. So I want you to slide one arm out to the side, bringing that chest tilted and giving a nice shoulder stretch. Good. Inhale, come back up. And on the exhale, let that other arm slide out as you bring that shoulder towards the mat. Good. Inhale, back up. Exhale, slide your other arm out. Good. Inhale up. And exhale, slide that arm out, twisting as you're bringing the side of your face down towards the mat. Good. Inhale, back up. We'll go ahead and do this one more time on each side. And come up to tabletop position. From here, we're going to sit on our knees, or you can always do an easy seat or cross-legged. So if you have a block or a pillow, so if you have a block, you can sit on it. Or if you have a pillow, you can just sit on that pillow too, if that feels more comfortable on your legs. Good. So as we're here, I just want you to sit up nice and tall and just work on your posture for a second. It gets so easy to slump all day, so we want to wake up those muscles and wake up that posture. Good. So as we're sitting here, bring our arms to a T with our palms facing up. And I want you to squeeze those shoulder blades together as you look up towards the ceiling. Take one full breath. Inhale and exhale. And just bring those hands down, but keep your posture upright. We're going to repeat that. Inhale, open those arms to a T, palms up, and exhale. Hands down. Good. Now we're going to bring our hands behind our back. So clasp those hands behind your back and open your chest. So our shoulders are going to roll forward. So we want to pull those shoulders back as we do this. So pull those shoulders back first. And almost you're going to be sticking your chest out. And you have the option here to lift those hands up. Good. So our core is engaging just a little bit here as we're trying to keep our posture upright. So take a nice deep breath. Good. One more full breath. And go ahead and release those hands. That was a great job today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you're enjoying your little one. I know it can be hard when they are little, but I hope that you're finding little pockets of time to enjoy them and also time to take care of yourself. It gets really hard as a new mom to find those pockets of time, but I really encourage you to making sure that you're adding some self-care into your daily routine. So if you enjoy this, I hope you hit subscribe so you can get more videos from me. Also, if you check the description below, I have a great Facebook group focused on nutrition and mindset and if you check the links in the description, you'll find my link for my Facebook group where I talk more about nutrition and fitness and that mind-body connection. I also have links for my personal training and my health coaching and for group classes that I offer online. So I have packages for a variety of budgets starting at $15 a month. So if you are looking to get back in shape, then I encourage you to check out those links. I hope that you have a great day.